I promise I'm not burning nothing.
All right, get ready to make some chicken fajitas with cilantro rice and black beans on the side. So show you all of the ingredients that I have set out on the table, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have two types of chicken that I'm gonna be using today. This is the oven roasted diced chicken breast and the fajita chicken. Here's my bell pepper and onion, my white tortillas, cilantro rice, Mexican cheese, sour cream, black beans, thick and chunky salsa, and fajita, black pepper, and seasoning salt seasoning. Alright, so I'm going to cut my bell peppers. I am going to saute my bell peppers and onions. By the way, all my vegetables is already cleaned. And right now I'm cutting my onion. Alright, I'm almost done. So I can start sauteing this. So I'm gonna put some oil on this grill skillet. Saute my vegetables. I have my peppers and onions. So like I said, we are going to use two types of chicken. This chicken is already pre-seasoned with the fajita seasoning. The fajita seasoning to it. Okay, and then here is the roasted diced chicken breast that we're going to add to the fajita chicken that we already have on the skillet. And then I'm going to start seasoning. And so here is what I'm going to use to season everything. It's the fajita seasoning, some seasoning salt blend, and then black pepper. Now for my vegetables, I'm just going to use some pepper and some seasoning salt. And this, by the way, is not the seasoning salt that we all used to, like the orange one. This one is made a lot differently. It has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic mixed in. So it's almost like an all-purpose seasoning salt. I'm gonna mix this up a little bit, and then I'm going to get my lemon juice and put some on my chicken and a little on my vegetables. Okay, so put a little lemon juice. And then I'm going to put a little of the Worcestershire sauce, if that's how you say it, on my meat only. So while I let my vegetables and meat cook a little bit longer, I'm gonna go ahead and heat up my rice. Now this rice shouldn't take very long at all. It takes 2 minutes to cook in the microwave. It's the Ben's Original Cilantro Lime Flavor Rice. Just break it on up and pop it in there for 2 minutes. And it'll be done. Then I'm gonna make my corn and the beans. And then we are all. Alright, so I'm opening up my corn. I'll heat that up. And I'm gonna do my black beans. Alright, black beans. Then I'm gonna pop these in the microwave. My rice is already done. And then my vegetables pretty much done. Just have them on low to keep them warm. And I have my meat on low now because the meat is pretty much done. I just want to keep everything warm. So let's take a look at the chicken and the vegetables because they're pretty much done. I just got them finished heating up the black beans and the corn, and then I'm just start warming up the tortillas and then making the plates.